Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach exponential exercise 5. Question number 11 by R.S. Arwatu. Okay. Now, by what number should minus 5 inverse be multiplied so that the product is 8 inverse? Okay. Solution. Let the required number multiply bx according to question. Minus 5 inverse into x, product is equal to 8 inverse minus 1, and therefore x by inverse reciprocal x by minus 5 is equal to 1 by 8. Therefore cross multiplication 8 into x is equal to minus 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 by 8. Okay. Question number 14. Find x such that 3 by 5 whole to the power cube into 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5 whole to the power 2x minus 1. Okay. Solution. Since as we know that base is equal 3 by x and 3 by x, base is equal, then power will be added. Therefore into 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 base equal, then power 3, this power minus 6. Therefore 3 by 5, 3 minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5. In equal case base are equal 3 by 5 and 3 by 5. In equal case base are equal, then power are equal. Therefore 3 by 5 minus 3 is 3 by 5. The base in equal case, base 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 are equal base, then power are equal. Therefore minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2. Therefore implied that x is equal to minus 2 by 2 equal to 1. Question number 16. Simplify 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n divided by 16 into 2 into n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 power n plus 2. Okay. Now solve. Equal to 16 into break 2 to the power n plus 1. We can also written as 2n into 2 minus 4 into 2 to the power n divided by 16. 2 to the power n plus 1 we can also written as 2 to the power n into 2 square minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2 we can also written as 2 to the power n into 2 square. Okay. This is equal to 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n common, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n common. Therefore 62 is 32 minus 4 as 2 to the 4, 16 4 is 64, 2 to the 4, 2 is 8. Therefore 28 by 56 divided by, therefore 28 by 56, this is equal to 2. Okay. 18. If 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250, find the value of n. Okay. 2 to the power n minus 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 is equal to 1250. Imply that 2 to the power n we can also written as 2 to the power n divided by 2 to the power 7 into 5 to the power n minus 4 we can also written as 5 to the power n by 5 to the power 4 equal to 1250. Cross multiplication 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n, cross multiplication 2 to the power 7, 5 to the power 7, prime factor of 1250 equal 5 to the power cube into 5 into 2. Okay. 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n equal to base equal in two case base same power at 2 2 7 power 1 2 to the power 8 base 5 5 5 power are added 4 3 7 1 8 okay 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n equal to 2 to the power n into 5 to the power 8 into के केस power are same then base multiply therefore power are same base multiply therefore 5 to the 10 whole to the power n equal to 5 to the 10 whole to the power n in equal case base are equal then power are equal therefore n is equal to 8 okay student HW to make the exercise 5b question number 11 to 18 all the best thank you